John Martinco, 18, from La Consolacion College, Bacolod, your Mr. Teen Mascara, candidate number 6. Most of my friends are here, they supporting in me, and I know that their support will give a lot to me, especially that I'm joining this pageant where I can showcase my part of the competition that I will feel is the talent portion. Because my talent is kind of unique and this is my first time that I'm gonna doing this. So it will give me a lot of practices to give this talent, to give up my